Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Samsung Galaxy A25. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and click this button to skip introduction. Now click open permissions and click here to allow this app to appear on top, and then click back. Now you can click start and here is your Chat GPT widget and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.